If your Canva designs look flat and boring, try this simple text trick, and the best part? You don't need Photoshop. First, open Canva and create a new design. I'm using a portrait-sized canvas for this effect. Go to Apps, search for Typecraft Effect. Now go to Text and add a heading. Type your text. For this design, I'm using Queen of the World. Now comes the important part. Select the text, go to Effects, and choose Curve Upside. And now keep the background transparent and download it. Then, again, choose the curve downside and repeat the process. Now let's create the background. Click on the page and change the background color to black. Perfect. Now we need our main subject. Go to Uploads and add your image. Place the person in the center of the design and resize her so she fills the composition nicely. If your image has a background, remove it so only the person remains. Now bring the curved text back into the design and position it around the subject. Here's the trick that makes this effect look so good. We want the text to appear both behind and in front of the person. Keep one copy behind the subject. Then bring the other copy to the front. Now adjust both copies carefully so they line up around the person. Move the text slightly until the subject looks like she's actually sitting inside the typography. You can also adjust the size and spacing to make the effect cleaner. And look at that! The text is wrapping around the subject, creating that layered 3D poster effect. The secret isn't some complicated Photoshop technique. It's simply using Canva's curve effect, duplicating the text, and controlling the layer order. You can use the same technique with portraits, products, thumbnails, posters, and social media posts. Try different words, different curves, and different fonts to create your own version. And if you want more Canva tricks like this, follow Canva shortcuts because there's a lot more you can create without leaving Canva.